Pelicans are truly remarkable large water birds. They are easily recognized by their distinctive long beak and the large throat pouch, which they expertly use for catching fish and other prey. The pelican you might observe could be a spot-billed pelican or a Dalmatian pelican. The spot-billed pelican breeds across southern Asia, from southern Iran all the way to Indonesia. In contrast, the Dalmatian pelican has a broader range, found from Southeast Europe extending into India and China. Understanding these magnificent birds helps us appreciate their role in diverse ecosystems. Their presence often signifies healthy aquatic environments, making their study vital for conservation efforts worldwide. Many bird species, from starlings to gulls, have adapted remarkably to human environments. They often establish vast nesting colonies right within our towns and cities. This close proximity offers several advantages. Urban areas can provide abundant food sources, like discarded scraps, and relative safety from natural predators. Buildings offer ideal, sheltered nesting sites, mimicking cliffs or trees. While these colonies can sometimes present challenges, they also highlight the incredible adaptability of wildlife. Understanding their behaviors helps us foster better coexistence. Observing these birds offers a unique window into urban ecology. Support wildlife conservation efforts and subscribe for more insights into the natural world around us. Watch all our shorts and videos to deepen your appreciation for birds.